Hello, everybody. Welcome to our workshop number 4. Your child will get credit for this workshop for watching the video and filling out the reflection sheet. Okay, if you have went to all the workshops already and or watched the video, you don't have to watch this video if you been to all the workshops. All right, so let's get started. I will share my screen. All right, and make sure that we have our materials. That is that green bag and the books that we need to read with. Let's go back. Notice the tricky word, wait and praise, go back and reread with expression. Those are the 3 objectives in this. Our literacy terms, excuse me. Tricky word, a hard word your child doesn't know yet. Expression. When your voice is full of emotion, naturally pauses, and an easy to listen to speed. Notice the tricky word, parents, you want to hum. Here's a good word. If you see your child struggling with the word, or if it's been a while since you've reread, you want to go back and reread a sentence if they're having trouble with that sentence. Okay, to wait and pause, use your finger and read it sound by sound if you see a tricky word, or do you see any words inside the word that you are trying to notice? Take those 2 fingers and put them and see if you can shorten the word so that they can recognize a smaller word that they know already. Okay, and then you wait and you give praise for doing that. Okay, go back and read with expression. And it says, let's go back and read that sentence again with expression. The child will read the sentence again over again with expression after you've read it once. And but you don't want to overdo it. A few times is good, but you don't want to overdo it. If you have a kindergartner or a first grader or a smaller kid, you can use questions to engage them, like, can you use your finger and read it sound by sound? Use your finger and cover up part of the word. Do you see a part good way to keep working on that word for encouragement, and say, let's go back and reread this sentence from the beginning, just to try and get some expression out of that sentence. And if you have bigger kids, the way you want to engage that is, does that word you said match the letters and sounds you see? Okay, I'll wait because I think you can do it. You want to give them that time. Don't rush them to sound out words. Now that you know the word, let's go back and reread from the beginning with more expression. Okay, so you make sure that you put that expression part in there. All right, and the multilingual families, we want to engage our children with use of a dictionary, an app, or a website to check for words, to make sure that the expression and the pronunciation is correct. Give a lot of encouragement to help build reading skills and stuff. And, encouraging kids always helps with the reading. Our practice time. You want to go into some practice time and exercise those things that we just talked about in this workshop. And reflection, and just going on to this last part, making sure that what the circle means and stuff of what we're trying to do in the skills of reading is to enjoy and engage, figure out the word, understand the story, and sound like a storyteller. So you want to make sure all 4 of those things begin to happen. Okay. All right, thank you everybody for watching video number 4 and workshop number 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for bringing your kids to our Springboard summer program. And I hope that you have a great rest of your summer, okay? Goodbye. Have a good day.